Hi guys, how are you? You are watching today the different decorating ideas. You are watching room decorating with the lights and frames. You are watching another room decorating with the plants, money plants and other items. You are watching another wall decorating idea with the planks. You are watching another living room decorating with the plants and different items. You are watching a kitchen organizer you use for different items. You are watching the lawn decorating ideas, bonfire and different. You are watching another decorating ideas for the library. You are watching mirror decorating on the wall. You are watching the shelves decorating on the wall. You are watching the plants, how to decorate plants pot on the wall. You are watching the garden, tree, lawn, how to decorate. You are watching another decorating ideas with lights and other items. In the you are watching coffee corner in the kitchen decorating idea. You are watching uh, behind the door decorating with shelves. You are watching another decorating ideas uh, with the stairs. You are watching the kitchen organizer for fruits and vegetables. You are watching the books organizer uh, unique idea. You are watching another corner idea for shelves books. You are watching the living room decorating ideas. You are watching bedroom decorating ideas, unique idea for decorating. You are watching another idea with the lights. You are watching uh, old lantern decorating with the pine cone and leaves. You are watching another idea for decorating your living room, drawing room with the lights and other items. You are watching the a wood piece fixed on sofa for the coffee cup. You are watching wall decorating for candles. You are watching the wood paneling on the wall decorating ideas. You are watching bedroom decorating with jute items and other. You are watching the coffee corner in the kitchen decorating idea. You are watching another bedroom decorating ideas. You are watching the old coil wood